नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself, GAVN Mr. Kanhaiya Nagar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Student, I will prepare this lecture class for BSc Agriculture Honors 6M. My subject post harvest management and value addition of fruit and vegetable. Student, today I am discuss about storage. There are several storage: zero energy cool chamber, cold storage, modified storage, CA, and hyperbaric storage. Methods of storage. Aerative cool storage. This is one of the simple and effective method for short-term storage of fruit and vegetables at farm level. This reduces swiveling, extend storage life, and prevent losses during marketing and storage. Such type of storage maintains high relative humidity with temperature near to wet bulbs and thus reduce the wet loss considerably in stored fruits and vegetables. It is one of the low cost technologies developed which can be installed anywhere and anytime. Though cold storage is the best way due to high energy extensive capacity investment and perennial power storage, most of the small farmers find it difficult and are the forced to sell produce at distress price after harvest. Under these conditions, the aerative storage help the farmer to get better return for their produce. When water evaporates from the liquid phase into the vapor phase, energy is required. This principle can be used to cold store by first passing the air introduced into storage room through the pad of water. The degree of cooling padding depends on the original humidity of the air and the efficiency of the aerative surface. If the ambient air has low humidity and is humidified to around 100% relative humidity, then a large reduction in temperature will be achieved. This can provide cool moisture condition during storage. Second step, zero energy cool chambers. Zero energy cool chambers are based on the principle of aerative cooling and development developed for the short term storage of fruit and vegetables. The raw materials used for construction of cool chambers are bricks, about 400 bricks, or river bed sands, 10 bags, to hold amount a quintal of fruits and vegetables. The floor of storage space is made with a single layer of bricks. The side walls is made with a double layer of bricks, leaving a space of 7.5 cm between the bricks, which are filled with sands. The top cover of storage space is made with gunny bags or cast in bamboo frame structure. After the construction, the bricks, sand and top cover of cold chamber are kept completely wet by sprinkling water period of storage. Sprinkling of water once in the morning and once at evening maintain the temperature about 2 degrees centigrade internal temperature and humidity 90% throughout year. Their image of zero energy cool chambers. Third method of storage, controlled atmosphere storage, means CA. This CA storage technique is the most important innovation in fruit and vegetable storage. CA is a supplement and not as the substitute for proper temperature and relative humidity management. Such storage work on the principle of maintaining an artificial atmosphere in storage room which have a high concentration of CO2 and lower concentration of oxygen than normal atmosphere. It is important to control the level of carbon dioxide since the very high level anaerobic oxygen level lead to fermentation. Carbon dioxide CA storage reduce the rate of respiration and thus delay. Again, such storage is very effective when combined with low temperature storage. Some simple method for controlling or modifying the composition of air in the storage environment are given below. Air coming into the storeroom is begin circulated within the room. They must pass through a monitoring the control systems. Carbon dioxide can be increasing through dry ice and pressurized cylinders, and there are leveling can be decreased by sodium hydroxides, and there are 100 kg of fruits of vegetables are used. And fourth point, modify atmosphere storage. They are discussed. Then the modified atmosphere packaging is known as MAP, has been defined as packaging of foods in an atmosphere which has been modified so that its composition is other than that of air. Modified atmosphere storage also require a decrease in oxygen and an increase in carbon dioxide or nitrogen, but there is no control of atmosphere at specific concentration. Hence, the differs with the CA storage on in degree and control and methods. Active modified atmosphere in all modification of this gas composition through initial gas flushing or introduction of gas scavenging system within the package. In passing MAP, the gas composition is altered due to combining effect of product respiration and permeability of packaging films. There are oxygen scavengers, iron power refuge compounds, ascorbic acids, और इसके बाद एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड स्क्वेंजर्स, एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड्स, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड्स, लाइम्स, इथाइलिन स्क्वेंजर्स में आता है, पोटेशियम परमेनेंट एंड सिलिकॉन्स. लास्ट, hyperbaric storage REG for storage of fruit and vegetables. This is also known as the reduced atmospheric and low pressure storage and or sub-atmospheric storage and vacuum storage are several names of hyperbaric storage. The principle of such storage is to remove ethylene gas from the storage atmosphere and lowering the partial pressure of oxygen, which lead to slow ripening. Hence, fruit can be kept longer. It is type of CA storage with Emphasis of reduction of pressure of of oxygen and ethylene gas. Low oxygen reduce the respiration rate and low ethylene delay the ripening. As the result, fruit are stored for long times. In such storage, fruit like mango, banana, pineapple, guava, apple, pear, avocado, and lemon fruits have better storage lives. This system is used in transportation of fruits. Also, low pressure of oxygen about 100 to mm Hg reduce the growth of pathogenic disorders such as Rhizopus nigricans और इसके बाद है एस्पेरजिलस नाइगर्स बोट्रिटिस स्पीसीज एंड अल्टरनेरिया स्पीसीज आर रिड्यूस द ग्रोथ. लास्ट है आज डिस्कस करते हैं लास्ट डिस्कस कोल्ड स्टोरेज. कोल्ड और लो टेम्परेचर स्टोरेज इज मोस्ट reliable and intensively used for retention of freshness and extension of shelf life of fruits and vegetables for a long periods. Low temperature storage employ the principle of maintaining a low temperature which reduce the rate of respirations, thermal decomposition and thus decay, delay ripening. Each fruit and vegetable has to keep at in optimum temperatures. Both temperature and relative humidity are controlled in such storage. The basic equipment for mechanical refrigerations consist of compressor, condenser, cooling, expansion valve for expansion, and aeration of compressor liquefied gas. Thank you.